Welcome to the lecture series of numerical methods. Today we are going to discuss about Poisson's equation. In the previous lecture we have discussed about Laplace equation. So the Poisson equation is of the form u suffix xx plus u suffix yy equal to f of x comma y is called Poisson's equation. In the previous lecture we have discussed Laplace equation. In that one uxx plus uyy equal to 0. Okay, in the right hand side if there is any function, then the equation is called it as Poisson's equation. Okay, so the standard 5-point formula for equation 1 takes the form ui minus 1 comma j plus ui plus 1 comma j plus ui comma j minus 1 plus ui comma j plus 1 minus 4 ui comma j equal to h square capital F of I h comma j h. By applying equation 2 at each interior mesh point, we obtain a system of linear equations which can be solved by any one of the iteration method. So the Poisson's equation, under the Poisson's equation, how we are going to find the solution for the given equation. So here the standard 5-point formula takes the form as, instead of writing the 4 points, here two more terms are included, that is minus 4 ui comma j, and the right hand side is h square into function of I h comma j h. So applying this result for each interior mesh point, we can get the solution of the given differential equation. Okay, so we will see the problem. Look at the question. Solve del square u equal to minus 10 x square plus y square plus 10 over the square with sides x equal to 0 equal to y and x equal to 3 equal to y, with u equal to 0 on the boundaries and the mesh length is 1. So in this question it is given that del square u equal to minus 10 into function over the square with sides are 0 and 3. For example, if you are taking x value 0 to 3 and y value means y equal to 0 to y equal to 3, with u equal to 0 on the boundaries and the mesh length is 1. So from the given data we can write the solution. Look at the solution. Here it is given that mesh length is 1, that means h is 1. So it is given that mesh length is 1, that means what? Means h is equal to 1, that is what given. Also given that the sides x equal to 0 equal to y, that means what? X takes the value 0 and y equal to 0, that means y equal to 0. Okay, that is y equal to 0. Also given that x equal to 3 and y equal to 3, that means what? X takes the value, which implies x takes the value, here it takes 0 and here it takes 3 and the mesh length is 1. So x takes the value 0, 1, 2 and 3. Similarly y takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3. So according to the given data we can draw a diagram like this. Okay, so look at the diagram. Here we have taken the x value 0, 1, 2, 3 and the y values as 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, all the boundary values, that is u values are 0. Also it is given that u equals 0 on the boundary. So all the boundary values are 0. So look at the mesh point u1, u2, u3 and u4. So for these 4 values only we are going to find under the Poisson's equation. So the Poisson equation, we will write the Poisson's equation. It is given in the question. The right hand side equal to minus 10 into x square plus y square plus 10. Also it is given that h is equal to 1, that means what? It is understood that it is given that h is equal to 1, it is always understood that I equal to hh and y equal to jh. So h is equal to 1. Okay, so h is equal to 1 means here h is equal to 1 implies x is equal to I and y is equal to j. We have to keep in our mind this one. Okay, x is equal to I and y equal to j. So now we are going to apply the values I equal to 1, 2, 3 like that. For j also we are going to substitute the values in equation 1. Equation 1 is given equation. Okay. So first point in the diagram, what is the first mesh point? Mesh point is u1. Okay. So at the point u1, First we are going to take u1. At the point u1, what is our I? I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. Okay, it's written here x is equal to I, y is equal to j. Okay, x equal to I means in this point u1, look at the diagram. At u1, x is equal to 1, that means I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. Likewise, for the next point u2, I equal to 2 and j equal to 2. Likewise, for u3, I equal to 1, j equal to 1, and u4, I equal to 2, j equal to 1. Likewise, we can get 4 equations when you are substituting the I values in the Poisson's equation. After that, any one of the iteration method, we are going to solve the 4 differential equation to get the value of u1, u2, u3. When you are applying the iteration, if 2 iterative values are equal, we can stop the iteration method. So, first we will take the point u1. At u1, I equal to 1, j equal to 2. Okay. Substitute these 2 values in equation 1. So, what will happen? I equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So, u 0 comma 2, j equal to 2 plus u I plus 1 comma j, that means u 2 comma 2 plus u I comma j plus 1 means what? U 1 comma 3 plus I equal to 1 and j equal to 1. Okay, so 1 comma 1 minus 4 u 1 comma 2 equal to minus 10 into I equal to 1, x is equal to I equal to 1. So, 1 square is 1 plus j equal to 2, 2 square is 4. Okay, 4 plus 10. Now, look at the diagram. In the diagram, u 0 comma 2. Okay, u 0 and 2. Look at this diagram. This is our u1, u2, u3, u4. All the boundaries, the values are u equal to 0. It's given that. Now, the first value is u 0 comma 2. Isn't it? The first point we have written u 0 comma 2. That means what? 0. Here it is 0. I value is 0 and j value is 2. What is the value in the boundary? Boundary value is 0. 0 comma 2, the boundary value is 0. So, instead of u 0 comma 2, we can make that place as 0 plus u 2 comma 2. Okay, u 2 comma 2 means I equal to 2, j equal to 2. Okay, I equal to 2, j equal to 2, the point is u2. Okay, so the next one is u2 plus u1 comma 3, I equal to 1, j equal to 3, that is 0. So, u1 comma 3 is 0. So, in the place of u1 comma 3 we can put 0 plus u1 comma 1. u1 comma 1 means I equal to 1, j equal to 1, that is u3. Okay. So, u1 comma 1 means u3 minus 4 u1 comma 2, I equal to 1, okay, j equal to 2, that is u1. Okay. So, minus 4 u1 equal to, solving this we can get minus 150. See, here it is 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 10 15, 15 into 10 minus 150. So, we can get at the point u1 u2 plus u3 minus 4 u1 equal to minus 150. Okay. So, that is our equation number 2. Likewise, the next point is u2. So, at u2, okay, at u2 I equal to 2, okay, u2 I equal to 2 and j equal to 2. Look at the diagram. At u2, okay, at u2 I values 2 and j values 2. So, we have to substitute in equation 1 I equal to 2 and j equal to 2. Substituting I equal to 2, j equal to 2, we can get u1 plus u4 minus 4 u2 equal to minus 180. This is our equation 3. What is the next point? Next point is u3. Okay, next point is u3. Look at the diagram. At u3, we have to substitute I is equal to 1, j equal to 1, because in this one u3, I value is 1 and j value is 1. So, substituting I equal to 1 and j equal to 1 at u3. Same manner for u4, we have to substitute I equal to 2 and j equal to 1, so that we can get another 2 differential equations. Okay. At u3, I equal to 1, j equal to 1. Substituting these values in our equation 1, we can get u3 equal to 1 by 4, u1 plus u4 plus 120. Next point is u4. At u4, we have to substitute I equal to 2, j equal to 1. In equation 1, we are going to substitute these values so that we can get u3 plus u2 minus 4 u4 equal to minus 150. So now we have arrived 4 differential equations, that is u1, u2, u3, u4. Solving these 4 equations by any one of the iterative method, we can get the value of u1, u2, u3. Now from equations 2 and 3, we can use for the iteration method either Gauss-Seidel method also. Its choice is ours only, so we can choose our choice. Look at this one, equation 2, 3, 4 and 5. Solving these 4 equations, we can get the value of u1, u2, u3 and u4. Now look at this equation 2, u2 plus u3 minus 4 u1 equal to minus 150. This is our equation number 2. Now look at this equation number 5, u3 plus u2 minus 4 u4 equal to minus 150. Solving these two equations, we have arrived a result u1 equal to u4. So after this, from equation 2, from equation 2, u1 equal to u4. Based on this, we can get our, from equation 2, u1 equal to 1 by 4, u2 plus u3 plus 150. And from equation 3, we can get, this is our equation 3. Okay. In this one, look at this, u1 equal to u4 means this will become either 2u1 or 2u4. Okay, we can take like that. So substituting in this one, we can get our second answer, u2 equal to 1 by 4, 2u1 plus 180. Likewise, in the next u3 equal to, from equation 4, here also we can put u1 equal to u4. Substituting that, we can get u3 equal to 1 by 4, 2u1 plus 120. Now we are going to use these equations only for iteration. Solving this equation by any one of the iteration method, we can get the solution for u1, u2, u3 and u4. First we are going to take, let u2 equal to 0 and u3 equal to 0 in equation 6. Why we are taking u2 equal to 0 and u3 equal to 0? Because it's given in the question that in the boundaries the values are 0. Now look at this, u2 value is 0 plus 0 by 2, that is 0, and here also u3 0 plus 0, okay, by 2 we can get 0. That is the reason why we are taking u2 equal to 0 and u3 equal to 0. If suppose is there any values, for example if it is 10 means we can get 10 plus 10 by 2, that is 20 by 2, we can get 10. According to the boundary value only we are taking the value of u2 and u3 because we are going to start the iteration. To start the iteration only we are taking like that. Okay. So here we are taken u2 equal 0, u3 equal 0 in equation 6. So what will happen? u1 equal to, okay, u1 equal to 1 by 4 into 150. So substituting u2 0 and u3 0, which implies u1 equal to 37.5. And just now we have arrived a result u1 equal to u4. So from this we can get u4 equal to 37.5. So using this u1 and u4, we will go for the initial iteration. Okay. So the initial iteration, for the initial iteration, we will take the u1 as 37.5 and u4 also 37.5. Okay. And then what is our u2? We have taken the beginning, u2 equal to 0 and u3 equal to 0. So this is our initial iteration value. Now we are starting the first iteration. So the first iteration, what we are going to do? We are going to substitute the value of u1 and u4. Using that only we are getting the remaining value u2 and u3. So first we are going to find the u2. Okay, so u2 of first iteration. So u2 of 1 equal to 1 by 4 into, okay, u2 of 1 equal to, in equation 7 we are substituting because there only we have the formula, that is the equations, there only we are going to substitute the values. So here we are going to substitute our u1 value u1 equal to 37.5. Substituting in this one, we can get our u2. Then here substituting that, we can get our u3. In these three equations only we are using for iteration. Okay, so u2 of 1 is equal to 1 by 4 into 2 into 37.5 plus 180. So using calculator, we can get the answer as 63.75. Okay, then u3 of 1 is equal to 1 by 4 into 2 into 37.5 plus 150. Okay, so again using calculator, we can get our u3 of 1 equal to 48.75. Okay, and here applying the values of u2 and u3, we can get u1 of 1 equal to 63.75 plus 48.75 plus 150. That is our u1 of 1, 65.62. u1 of 1 is the same for u4 of 1. Okay, because u1 equal to u4. So this is our first iteration value of all the 4 points. Likewise, we can do our second and third and fourth continuous iteration. When we can stop the iteration until we get the two consecutive values are equal. Okay, so for the second iteration, u2 of 2 equal to 1 by 4 into 2 into 65.62 plus 180, u2 of 2 equal to 77.81 and u3 of 2 equal to 62.81 and u1 of 2 and u4 of 2 equal to 72.65. Likewise, third iteration, fourth iteration. Okay, for this problem, we are getting the right answer at 8th iteration. 7th and 8th iteration values are equal. So our final answer of u1, u2, u3, u4, u1 equal to 74.99, u2 answer is 82.49 and u3 answer is 67.49 and u4 answer is 74.99. So this is the way we have to do problem under Poisson's equation. Okay, thank you for watching.